Hello student, today we solve exercise number 15b. In the exercise number 15b, the theorem is basic proportionality theorem. We use this theorem. Basic proportionality theorem means, in short, we can write BPT. According to this theorem, if in a triangle three sides are there, AB, AC and BC, if in a triangle, if one line is parallel to the third side of the triangle, suppose DE parallel to BC, it is given that DE parallel to BC, then we start from the D point and it intersect, it reach to the side AC at the E point, then the ratio of AD upon DB is equal AE upon EC. Theorem is, a line drawn parallel to the one side of the triangle divide the other side of the triangle into the proportionality. So AD, the ratio of this side to the this side is equal ratio of this side to the this side. AD upon DB is equal AE upon EC. So this is the BPT theorem, and in this exercise 15b we use this theorem. Okay, so in question number 1, it is given that AD upon DV is equal 3:5. In question number 1, 15b, it is given that AD upon DV 3:5. This side is 3 and this side is 5. 3:5. So in the first part, you have to find AE upon EC. AE upon EC. So because of BPT theorem, we can say AD upon DV is equal AE upon EC. Both are equal. So it is given that AD upon DV 3:5. So AE upon EC will also be 3:5 because both ratio are equal by BPT theorem. Now the second part is AD upon AB. We have to find AD upon AB. So AD is 3 and AB 3 plus 5. So 3 upon 8. Now AE upon EC. This is 3, 5. This is 3:5 by BPT theorem. So we have to find AE upon AC. AC is the sum of 3 plus 5 means 8, 3 upon 8. So third part will also be 3 upon 8. So first part 3 upon 5, second 3 upon 8, and third is 3 upon 8. In the fourth part, DE is given 2.4. This side DE is given 2.4. We have to find BC. So we know that this triangle is similar to the triangle ABC. Why? Because lines are parallel. So this angle is equal to this angle, interior alternative angle. Angle AD is equal to angle ABC. This angle is equal to this angle, interior corresponding angles are equal. And this angle A is equal common in both the triangles. So by angle property, both triangles are similar to each other. So we use the similarity property. So AD upon AB is equal DE upon BC. Okay. Now we put the value. AD is what? 3 and AB 3 plus 5 8 is equal DE, it is given 2.4, and BC we have to find. Now cross multiply. So BC is equal 2.4 into 8 upon 3. 3 8 ja 24, 8 8 ja 64, 6.4. BC is equal 6.4. Like this you can also solve the fifth part. Okay, you can note down this question. Now question number 3 is, a line PQ is drawn parallel to the side BC. This line is parallel to this line. AB is given 9 and AC given 6 and EQ 4.2. Because this angle is equal this angle, corresponding angles, because lines are parallel, and this angle is equal this angle. Angle A is common in both the triangles, so that's why triangle APQ similar to the triangle ABC. This triangle is similar to this triangle by angle property because two angles are equal. So we use the similarity property. So AP upon AB, because this angle is equal this angle. So AP upon AB is equal this angle equal this angle. So AQ upon AC. Now put the value of AB 9, AQ 4.2, AC 6, cross multiply. So AP is equal 6.3 centimeter. Now we solve question number 7. Question number 7 is, this is the figure. Three lines are given parallel. This line, and this line. This is x, this is y. We have to find x and y. 7.5, AB 7.5 given, CE 3 given, and EF 4.5 given. We have to find the value of x and y. So first we similar this triangle and this triangle. Okay, triangle ABC and triangle ECF. This angle is equal this angle, vertically opposite angle, and this angle is equal this angle, interior alternative angle. So vertically opposite angle and interior alternative, both angle are equal. By angle property, both are similar to each other. So by the similarity, we use similarity rule. So x, this angle is equal this angle. So opposite of this x and opposite of this 3. So x upon 3. This vertically opposite angle equals opposite of this 7.5 and opposite of this 4.5. Now cross multiply. So x is equal 5. When you solve this calculation, so you got the answer 3. 5. X is equal 5. Now you have to find the value of y. So we take two triangle, triangle BCD and triangle BFE. So this angle is equal this angle, corresponding angle, because this line parallel to this line. This angle is common in both the triangle. So by angle property, both triangle are similar. So again use similarity property. X upon this angle is equal this angle, corresponding इसके अपोजिट क्या है x और इनके अपोजिट क्या है x plus 3. So x upon x plus 3 is equal, ये इक्वल है, कॉमन एंगल, इसके अपोजिट क्या है y और इसके अपोजिट क्या है 4.5. So x upon x plus 3 is equal y upon 4.5. Now put the value of x 5. So we get y is equal 2 whole 13 upon 16. Okay. So first we take two triangle and then we take this triangle and this triangle. Okay student, now we solve question number 9. It is given that M is the midpoint ABCD. M is the midpoint of BC. It is given, and DM intersect the diagonal this and AB produce, and it is also given that ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is one parallelogram, means this line is parallel to this line. M is the midpoint of BC, means CM is equal BM. It is given. So first we take two triangle, triangle DPC and triangle PAE. We take two triangles. So this angle is equal this angle, because this line is parallel to this line, because parallelogram. So interior alternative angle equal, and this vertically opposite angle is equal. So by the angle property, both triangle are similar to each other, means triangle APE and triangle PDC will be the similar to each other. Now you know what is the midpoint theorem. Okay, according to midpoint theorem, if one in triangle PAE, this is the midpoint M, and this line is parallel to this line. In triangle ADE, M is the midpoint and this line is parallel to this line. So according to converge midpoint theorem, B will be the midpoint. In class 9th you are study about the converge midpoint theorem. If one midpoint and one line parallel to other line, then the second point, means the opposite side the line cut the midpoint, means B will be the midpoint. So AB is equal BE, or we can write AE is equal to AB. AE is equal to AB. Now we prove that both triangle are similar. This triangle is similar to this triangle. So by similarity property, PE upon PD, PE upon PD is equal AE upon AE upon CD. So now put the value of AE. AE is equal what to AB, and because it is given that CD is equal AB, why? In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal, means AB is equal CD. So in place of CD, you can write AB. Now AB and AB cancel, cross multiply. So PE is equal to PD. Hence proved. ये प्रूफ करना था हमको. ओके, तो फर्स्ट क्या करना है, इन दोनों ट्राइंगल को सिमिलर प्रूव करेंगे. देन मिड पॉइंट प्रॉपर्टी से बी मिड पॉइंट होगा, दैट्स व्हाई ए बी इज इक्वल बी, सो वी कैन राइट ए इज इक्वल टू ए बी. नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू द सिमिलरिटी प्रॉपर्टी, पी अपॉन पी डी इज इक्वल ए अपॉन सी डी. In place of AE write 2AB, in place of CD write AB, because it is a parallelogram, so opposite sides are equal. Now AB and AB cancel, cross multiply, so P is equal to BD, hence proved.